Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Did you know that a staggering number of new businesses fail within the first year of operation? It's a tough reality, but don't let that discourage you. Today, I'm here to guide you through the steps to starting a successful business in 2024. Welcome to the exciting world of entrepreneurship in 2024. Starting a business can be a thrilling adventure filled with opportunities for growth and success. Whether you have a groundbreaking idea or a passion for a particular industry, now is the perfect time to turn your dreams into reality. Starting a business in 2024 can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor, but it also requires careful planning and execution to ensure success. In this step-by-step guide, we will outline the key steps you need to take to start and grow your business in the ever-evolving landscape of the 21st century. The first step in starting a business in 2024 is to conduct thorough market research. This involves identifying your target market, understanding their needs and preferences, and analyzing the competitive landscape. Once you have a clear understanding of your market, the next step is to develop a comprehensive business plan. This plan should outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. With your business plan in hand, the next step is to choose a legal structure for your business. This decision will impact your tax obligations, liability, and operational flexibility, so it is important to carefully consider your options. Common legal structures for small businesses include sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, LLCs, and corporations. Once you have chosen a legal structure, you will need to register your business with the appropriate government authorities. This may involve obtaining a business license, registering your business name, and applying for any necessary permits or certifications. By completing these steps, you can ensure that your business is operating legally and in compliance with local regulations. Before you go farther, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks, and we'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences of making your money work for you in the comments below. Let's support and learn from each other on this journey to financial empowerment. Thanks for subscribing and continuing the video. So, with the right planning and execution, you can turn your business idea into a successful venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Develop your business idea. Identify a niche. Find a market gap or an area you are passionate about. Research industry trends and customer needs to ensure there is demand for your product or service. Validate your idea. Conduct surveys, interviews, and focus groups to get feedback from potential customers. Use this feedback to refine your business idea. Step 2. Create a business plan. Executive summary. Provide an overview of your business, including the mission statement, products or services, target market, and financial goals. Market analysis. Analyze your industry, market size, target audience, and competitors. Identify your unique selling proposition, USP. Marketing strategy. Outline how you will attract and retain customers. Include details on pricing, advertising, and promotional tactics. Operations plan. Detail the day-to-day operations of your business, including location, suppliers, and production processes. Financial plan. Include projected income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. Determine your startup costs and funding requirements. Step 3. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship. Simple to set up and gives you complete control, but you are personally liable for business debts. Partnership. 2 or more people share ownership. Partners share profits, losses, and liability. Limited liability company, LLC, provides liability protection without the complexities of a corporation. Profits and losses can pass through to your personal income without facing corporate taxes. Corporation offers liability protection and can raise capital more easily, but is more complex and subject to corporate taxes. Consult a legal professional. Seek advice to choose the best structure for your business needs and future growth. Step 4. Register your business. Choose a business name. Ensure your business name is unique and reflects your brand. Check for domain availability for your website. Register your business. Register your business name with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain necessary licenses and permits based on your industry and location. Get an employer identification number, EIN. Apply for an EIN from the IRS. This is required for tax purposes and to hire employees. Step 5. Secure financing, personal savings. Use your own funds to start your business. This is the most straightforward option, but also the riskiest. Family and friends. Borrow from family or friends. Ensure you have clear terms to avoid misunderstandings. Bank loans. Apply for a business loan from a bank. You'll need a solid business plan and good credit. Investors. Seek venture capital or angel investors who can provide funding in exchange for equity. Crowdfunding. Use platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to raise funds from the public. Step 6. Build your brand. Develop a brand identity. Create a logo, color scheme, and tagline that reflects your business values and appeals to your target market. Create a website. Build a professional website that showcases your products or services. Ensure it's mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines, SEO. Social media presence. Establish profiles on relevant social media platforms. Engage with your audience through regular posts and interactions. Content marketing. Start a blog, produce videos, or create other content that provides value to your audience and establishes your expertise. Step 7. Set up operations. Find a location. Choose a location that suits your business needs, whether it's a physical storefront, office, or home-based setup. Set up accounting. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to manage your finances. Consider hiring an accountant for professional advice. Establish supply chains. Identify reliable suppliers and negotiate terms. Ensure you have a backup plan for any supply chain disruptions. Step 8. Hire and train employees. Recruitment. Hire employees who have the skills and attitude that align with your business goals. Use job boards, social media, and networking to find candidates. Training. Provide comprehensive training to ensure employees understand their roles and your business standards. Employee handbook. Create an employee handbook that outlines company policies, procedures, and expectations. Step 9. Launch your business. Soft launch. Conduct a soft launch to test your operations and gather feedback. This allows you to make necessary adjustments before the official launch. Grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to attract customers and create buzz. Use promotions, discounts, and marketing to drive traffic. Monitor and adjust. Track your performance through key metrics like sales, customer satisfaction, and online engagement. Be prepared to make adjustments based on feedback and performance data. Step 10. Scale and grow. Expand your product line. Introduce new products or services based on customer demand and market trends. Enter new markets. Consider expanding to new locations or online markets. Research and plan thoroughly before entering new markets. Invest in marketing. Increase your marketing efforts to reach a broader audience. Use data-driven strategies to optimize your campaigns. Improve operations. Continuously seek ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Invest in technology and training to enhance productivity.